Hello, children. Hope you're all doing fine. Today, we are going to have a very wonderful story about a wonderful person in the whole world. Who must be the wonderful person? Yes, it's none other than your mother. Yes, this is a story about the great mothers in the world. So here you see some children are playing and some are enjoying painting, some are cutting papers. Yes or no? So this is a house and one is studying and one is making a mess of the papers. So who is going to clean all this? Yes, it's going to be cleaned by the mother and her name is Sarika. So Sarika, she is not only working and also she's not only doing all the household chores, but she's also a working mom. Children, either it be working or not working in an office, every mother will have the same work. Yes or no? They'll be doing so many things for you. The same way Sarika will be doing all the work in the house, cooking, washing clothes, mopping the floor, keeping the things organized, arranging the kitchen neatly, managing the cupboards, washing the utensils, everything she'll be handling. The same way Sarika is doing all the work in the house while the children are enjoying and the adults are doing something. So one and Sarika, what else she's doing? She's helping the child doing his homeworks, seeing that he's watching all the recorded videos, updating the notes, making him write the homeworks, clearing his doubts, everything Sarika is doing. And also, after completing the child's work, Sarika is also managing the office work as well because it is also equally important like the housework. Yes or no, children? And then what else she is doing? She started arranging the kitchen neatly. She completed all the work and started washing the utensils. And then she went to wash the clothes as well. She put the clothes in the machine and started washing them. Then what else she does? She also is watering the plants in the garden and also mopping the floor in the kitchen. So the Meenu, the girl, daughter Harika, observed that day all the work what was the mother doing. And she was stunned to see her mother working continuously for hours, doing all the housework as well as the office work and as well as the work in the office, right? Then also Sarika has to manage the small baby in the house as well as she has to serve the breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks to the people in the house, either it be the adults or her husband and the children. So Meenu was worried like why mom is continuously doing the work and we are making mess of everything, not organizing the things. So something I have to do, she thought. And what she did, she started helping her mom in the kitchen. When mom was watching the utensils, she started wiping them and cleaning them and keeping them in the order. So she started helping her mother and she enjoyed, Meenu enjoyed the work also. And Sarika also felt very happy by the initiative taken by Meenu because mom didn't ask her to help. She only came and started helping her. So, how mother will feel happy? Definitely. And by seeing Meenu, what happened? Meenu's brother Ronu, he immediately started helping his mother, helping the clothes to be put in the washing machine. He started keeping clothes in the washing machine and helped the mother. Sarika felt very, very happy about the change. She looked in the house. Then the adults in the house, the grandfather of Meenu and Ronu, saw them and felt like, why can't I help Sarika in the household work? Let me water the plants, he thought. And see, children, we can't expect much work from the adults because they have to take rest, right? They're the elders of the family. So, very small works like filling the bottles or watering the plants can be done by them. That's it. So, grandfather took a water pipe and he started watering the plants. So nice, no? So, by seeing the grandfather, grandmother thought, oh, Sarika is working a lot. Let me help her. That she took the baby for some time with her and she made the baby sleep. So Sarika was very happy about the thing she saw. And then what happened, children, you know? Then Sarika's husband started helping her. He mopped the floor with the help of Rono and also helped Sarika in cutting the vegetables. So very, very happy things were happening in the house, and Sarika felt so relieved, so happy, and so light that she got more energy to do more work, right? And finally, she could cook the food in time for the children, and the children happily dined. And also, the whole family was very happy as the work went fast and smooth. Finally, Sarika was so happy because of the work shared by the family members in her busy time, and she too got some time to spend with the family, with the little baby, with her husband, with her mother-in-law, father-in-law, and the children. So what a happy time, children. So what is the moral of this story, children? Like Sarika, there are many mothers in the world now. Why many mothers? Your mother itself is the example. She'll be doing lots of work for you, right? She'll be managing the things, she'll be washing the clothes, she'll be arranging the cupboards neatly. So, what help you can do to your mothers? Very small works, children. Just keep your books neatly, pile up your cupboard, keep the clothes neatly. Try to fold small, small clothes. Help your mom, talk to her, listen to her. Okay, listen to the words. You complete your homework in time. Mommy will be very happy, right? Don't do such type of works where there will be cutting works. You can't cut them because your age is so tender that you cannot cut vegetables and all such things. That will be taken care by the adults of the house. Okay, and you maintain neatness, you do something paperwork, throw all the paper dust in the dustbin. Okay, when you are sharpening the pencil, throw the pencil dust in the dustbin only. Such type of works you do, very happy mother will be very, very happy, and that's the most greatest work for her. So always we should help our mothers, children. That's a very important thing. Okay, so definitely they will be doing more for you. Mommy always thinks like what snack I have to make for my boy, what snack I have to make for my daughter, what I have to cook for my family, what I have to do, what can I do more for them to make them happy. This way, when mom thinks, we should also think for her, right? So, hope you understood what you have to do, and let's help mom. Okay, children? Hope you have understood my intention. Okay, children? Very happy, and also have a nice time, children. Thank you for listening.